Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark today announced plans to implement a new policy which will force banks to improve interbanking relationships when it comes to foreign exchange. He argues that the current market is plagued with volatility because people are being forced to act blindly. TVJ's Andrew Laidley has the details.
Out with the old and in with the new. A new policy to change the way US dollars are circulated. The policy is expected to hit banks the hardest.
So the policy will be to incentivize the interbank market to be much more active and liquid, to trade among themselves, so to speak. And the next stage will be to make that trading transparent.
Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark also gave an explanation of how he expects the new policy to work.
So demand at one institution can be met from supply from another institution, as opposed to the central bank being the only source of supply if one institution is in need.
Dr. Clark argued that the policy change became necessary following revelations that financial institutions were not being transparent in their operations.
Our foreign exchange market, like all markets, has to be characterized by price transparency all the way around. And today, with financial institutions primarily transacting with their clients, it means that there isn't transparency.
The Jamaican dollar lost 6% of its value to the US dollar in January and has regained 2% within the last week. The finance minister argued that the new policy is expected to foster healthy competition and proper price discovery, which will result in a more stable Jamaican dollar. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
And we go now to currency trading as the day ended with the US dollar selling for $134.81. The Canadian dollar ended at $102.17. The pound is now selling for $172.82, while the euro closed the day at $150.22. Motorists will have to pay more for gas starting tomorrow. A liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will go for $2.86 more. The price for automotive diesel will go up by $2.13, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will be reduced by 13 cents. Kerosene will sell for 12 cents less. Propane will shave off 60 cents, while butane will go down by $1.49. Total Jamaica has entered into an agreement to acquire two fuel distribution companies. The companies, which are subsidiaries of the Epping Group, include Epping Oil Company and Epping Retail. The acquisition gives Total Jamaica control of Epping's 17 service stations in Jamaica and allows the company to reinforce its current network of 57 stations on the island. The JSE index lost 798 points today, while the junior market index declined by 49 points. Among today's winners were Sterling Investments, 138 Student Living, Consolidated Bakeries, Everything Fresh, and Seprod. Now on the losing side were AMG Packaging and Paper, Salada Foods, Derrimont Trading, Stanley Motor, and Caribbean Cream. And that's your Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.